tisiye kukana kuti tikalowa mboma ndiye kuti tizidya. Ndiye kuti soba tikafika nthawi yafika kuti ife tidye. This attitude that now we are in the government and now we are going to be rich is what is destroying this country. Government is not a feast. Government is not a political party. Government is not a nightclub. Being in government is about serving the people. To change our situation, to create jobs, and to help everyone prosper in their businesses, farming, or education. It is that feasting spirit, it is that dear spirit that is destroying this country. And from today onwards, the practice of Tidere is gone. I find you looting the government, whether you're a politician or a civil servant or a businessman, you are done. Ndatana. The honeymoon of looting is over. You are now dealing with a different president. And you are looking at a different president. Thank you. I will not allow anyone to destroy this country under my watch, and I mean anyone, whether you are a party official or whoever you are, I will go after you. And understand that. The Vice President and I want to see discipline and sanity everywhere in the government. We'll clean up the house, restore discipline and integrity in government as we change every Malawian to change our mindset. The VP and I won't allow you to bring back chaos while we clean up house. Never say, I never warned you. And let this be my last warning. So let us come to serve this country. So let us come to serve this country. For the people who voted for us. And let us arise above our differences to change this country as one people. the people of Malawi, I say, thank you for voting us into government again. Thank you, Malawi. And thank you, members of the DPP and the Blue Alliance.